I'm going to show you now how to delete your Facebook account on your iPhone. First, access the menu. Click on the settings icon. Now, go to See More in Accounts Center. Click on Personal Details. And now, click on Account Ownership and Control. Finally, click on Deactivation or Deletion. Choose your account. And here, we'll choose the Delete Account option. Click on Continue. Select the reason for deactivation. Click on Continue. Go to the end of the page and click on Continue. In this section, enter your password to continue. And finally, if you're sure you want to delete, click on Continue. Well guys, I hope I helped. Leave your like, subscribe and activate the bell. See you in the next video.